GhostBoo Icon Pack is an Android application designed to enhance the visual aesthetics of users' device home screens and app drawers by providing a collection of uniquely themed icons. This icon pack typically features a spooky and whimsical design, perfect for those who enjoy a playful Halloween-inspired theme or want to add a touch of creativity to their device. The app usually includes a wide variety of icons that cover numerous popular applications and system functions, allowing users to customize their devices to reflect their personal style. It is often compatible with various third-party launchers, making it easy for users to apply the icons and enjoy a cohesive look across their apps. In addition to the icon collection, GhostBoo may offer features such as regular updates with new icons, custom wallpapers that complement the theme, and icon masking capabilities to ensure that even unthemed icons fit within the overall design. Overall, GhostBoo Icon Pack serves as a fun and artistic tool for users looking to personalize their Android devices with a distinctive and engaging